It's no secret that there has been quite an upgrade with the automobile industry. Improvements with the engines, such as having a full-on electric car, are not news to each and everyone. That includes hybrid cars. A new year indicates a new year of fun and new car models to be released or, in some cases, upgraded with newer and better functions. Here are the top 12 best plug-in hybrid SUVs in 2023 so far. Number 10. 2023 Volvo XC60 Recharge. Starting with this beaut, the 2023 Volvo XC60 Recharge. Let's talk about its pros and cons, shall we? Volvo is not new to the hybrid car model market. In fact, they have been around for some time now, releasing their very first hybrid plug-in car way back in 2016. The Volvo XC60 Recharge is perfect for people looking for a high-end brand hybrid car. It is able to seat 5 people comfortably and has 4 different trim models. Moreover, the model also sports a plug-in hybrid 2.0-liter i4 turbo engine and has an electric range of 35 miles. However, if we do compare it to the other hybrid cars listed here, you can really say that it is not the best one in the market. The price of the 2023 Volvo XC60 starts at $58,295. Number 9. 2023 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited 4xe. This particular hybrid model has massive off-road talent, a muscular drivetrain, and is hybrid, which simply means it runs on electricity and petrol. Those are some of the pros of the Wrangler 4xe. However, its cons are that although it is a hybrid model, its hybrid mode is not as efficient as the models released this year or the year before. Not to mention, even if the Wrangler is technically an SUV, if you want an elegant one, this may not be for you. In spite of the fact the Wrangler 4xe is perfect for adventures, just like any other Jeep Wrangler ever produced, dating back to the Second World War. Its enormous build gave the opportunity for people to truly own an adventure-friendly hybrid. The price of the 2023 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited 4xe starts at $54,765. Number 8. Land Rover Discovery Sport PHEV. The Disco Sport finally has its very own hybrid car. The model sports a 1.5-liter 3-petrol engine, has a decent 37-mile range when charged on fully, and it also has a 188 miles per gallon figure. This particular car model is one of the many PHEVs that is good for long adventures, as it does not get too thirsty when on for a long ride. Not to mention, it does not get too uncomfortable when humps and bumps on the road are inevitable, as its interior structure truly is one of a kind. The only con that I know about this model is that it does not have the ability to be spacious for everyone, especially with its huge engine. The price of the Land Rover Discovery Sport PHEV starts at $34,480. Number 7. 2023 Lincoln Corsair. Up next, we have the 2023 Lincoln Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair is elegant and modest, or at least, that is what a lot of people describe it. And apparently, the crowd says that its design is one of a kind. Not to mention the modesty it holds, paired with how luxurious the materials it is made of, is such an added bonus for this car. The modern dashboard, the digital instrument cluster, and the large infotainment screen are only a few of the features of this car. It seats 5 people with ease and is a 3 trim level with a hybrid engine of 2.5-liter i4 engine and all-wheel drive. Moreover, its engine power is 250 horsepower at 5,500 RPM, and its engine torque is 275 pound-per-foot at 3,000 RPM. The starting price of the 2023 Lincoln Corsair is $39,885. Number 6. 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. Not unlike the Toyota RAV4 Prime, the 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV has 2 electric engines combined with a gasoline engine. This baby has an engine power of 181 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. In addition to this, its engine torque is 181 pounds per foot at 3,600 RPM. Aside from its known features, it has 3-row seating, has a 38-mile electric range, and its DC is fast charging. However, rumor on the mill is that its 3rd-row seating is not as comfortable as it seems. Hardly anything to go by, but with all the advancements that we have now, 3rd-row seating is a bare minimum. Oh, and its price? Much less than the Corsair, capping off at $27,595. Number 5. 2023 Subaru Crosstek. The 2023 Subaru Crosstek is great for people who want an affordable hybrid SUV but want better quality than the ones that are offered as cheap. Much like everything else on the list, it has its pros and cons. Although it is efficient, the hybrid model is much pricier than the non-hybrid type of the same model. However, it is comfortable on the road and has standard all-wheel drive. What makes it the better of its kind? Well, it is ideal to be excellent when it gets dirty. It has 8.7 inches of ground clearance and offers off-road features. And the price tag? Not so far from our last mobile, which is a nifty $23,645. Number 4. 2023 Kia Sportage. Known to be one of the best plug-in hybrids of Kia, the Kia Sportage is truly practical and efficient. It's designed to be a compact SUV, wherein its entire engine is enclosed with a gasoline engine, a regular hybrid model, and a plug-in hybrid model. Not to mention its overall appearance is truly an eye-catcher, an obvious coincidence Kia made just for this model's debut late last year. The Kia Sportage is a 5-seater and offers 12 different trim levels. 2023 Kia Sportage's starting price is $25,990. Number 3. 2023 Toyota RAV4 Prime. Now, capping off our big 3, we have the RAV4 Prime from Toyota. This sweet ride has a spacious cabin, great fuel economy, and standard all-wheel drive. However, for other people, that is, the model is not as new to them. Although the cons are mostly opinions from these people, no one can really deny how this is such a masterpiece, for it is fuel-saving thanks to the plug-in hybrid edition. It offers 2 different trim levels, which are a 5-seater. The 2023 Toyota RAV4 Prime's starting price is $40,000, although it is safe to say that it is much higher than that. Number 2. 2023 Audi Q5 PHEV. Next is the top 2 on the list, and that is the 2023 Audi Q5 PHEV. It has a posh interior, strong engines, and standard all-wheel drive. However, if we compare this masterpiece to its competitors, it is pretty pricey. However, that is not a problem if you really want to treat yourself to such an amazing hybrid car. Another con of this wonderful hybrid is its cargo space. Honestly, it could be better. It could have been more spacious and accommodating. Not to compare it to other plug-in hybrids SUVs, but that and its price is the only thing that makes it questionable if you really want it. Other than that though, it is one of the best ones you could have on the market. Its plug-in hybrid system can stretch to 37 miles of electric range. Now, don't be shocked because we did say it would be pricey, but the 2023 Audi Q5 PHEV is priced at $43,500. Top money for top dogs, am I right? Number 1. 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now on to our toppest of dogs, and the best on my list. None other than the Hyundai's 2023 Santa Fe. It is known to be a very spacious 2-row SUV. It's fuel efficient and has plenty of standard equipment. The only downside for this particular hybrid model is that it has wide rear pillars, which are not so efficient for some drivers. Despite this one measly con, no one can deny the Hyundai Santa Fe is one of the best, if not the best one on the market. Its fuel efficient adds up to the hundreds of qualities it presents, and its re-debut as its regular mid-size Santa Fe was debuted by Hyundai in 2019 is just what lots of peers wanted. Its electric engine is known to reach 31 miles before the gasoline engine has to take charge, which means that with its engine, you can go to a lot of places without charging it or using the gas engine. With all that good stuff, you'd be surprised to know that Santa came early this year, with this one being priced at a nifty $41,860. With technology evolving through the years, everyday products and pieces of equipment bound to our normal day-to-day lives, such as washing machines, refrigerators, and cars, are bound to take their own evolution. This is what plug-in hybrid car models are. Not to mention how these car companies strive to leave both a great impression with their design and how their car models are environmental friendly. Thus, they designed plug-in hybrids. Hope you enjoyed the best plug-in hybrid SUVs in 2023. See you on the next one.